Since the dawn of time, humans have gazed at the heavens, yearning to touch the clouds and soar like birds. Learning to fly represents a unique and powerful ambition. It's a challenge that calls to something deep within us, a desire for freedom, adventure, and mastery over a powerful element. The ability to take to the skies, to pilot a machine that defies gravity, is a thrilling prospect. It promises a new perspective on the world, a sense of accomplishment, and a journey into the unknown. But like any worthwhile pursuit, the path to becoming a pilot is not without its obstacles. While modern aircraft are marvels of engineering, piloting is not a passive activity. It demands physical coordination and stamina. The pilot is not merely along for the ride, they are an integral part of the aircraft, their hands and feet working in concert to maintain control. Learning to coordinate rudder pedals, throttle, and yoke can feel like trying to rub your stomach and pat your head while simultaneously jumping rope. Add to that the physical forces experienced during maneuvers, and it becomes clear that piloting requires a degree of physical fitness and resilience. Beyond the physical, learning to fly presents significant mental challenges. Piloting requires intense focus, situational awareness, and the ability to make rapid decisions under pressure. The cockpit can be a high-stakes environment, demanding unwavering concentration and composure. One must remain calm and collected, even when faced with unexpected situations. Spatial disorientation, changing weather conditions, and mechanical issues are just a few of the curveballs that can be thrown a pilot's way. Overcoming these mental hurdles is just as crucial as mastering the technical aspects of flying. Every pilot has a story about a flight that didn't go as planned, a moment that tested their skills and mettle. These experiences, while potentially daunting in the moment, serve as invaluable learning opportunities. They highlight the unpredictable nature of aviation and emphasize the importance of adaptability. One pilot recalls a cross-country flight where they encountered a sudden and unexpected drop in altitude due to wind shear. Forced to think quickly, they adjusted their controls, regained stability, and landed safely. The experience, while jarring, reinforced the importance of staying vigilant and being prepared for the unexpected. Weathering the storm tips for aspiring pilots. Given these challenges, what advice can be offered to those determined to earn their wings? Firstly, be prepared to put in the work. Learning to fly requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. Seek out experienced instructors who can guide you and provide constructive feedback. Secondly, embrace the importance of both physical and mental fitness. Regular exercise can improve stamina and coordination, while mindfulness techniques can help manage stress and enhance focus. Piloting is a skill that requires constant honing, both inside and outside the cockpit. Finding a good mentor can be invaluable. Experienced pilots can offer guidance, share their own experiences, and provide support throughout your journey. They can help you navigate the challenges, celebrate the triumphs, and offer encouragement when the going gets tough. Seek out individuals who inspire you, who embody the qualities you admire in a pilot. Their insights and perspectives can be invaluable as you progress through your training and beyond. Remember, even the most seasoned pilots were once beginners, learning and growing from those who came before them. It's important to acknowledge the financial commitment involved in pursuing a pilot's license. Flight training, aircraft rental, and examination fees can add up. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of the costs involved and to budget accordingly. Research different flight schools, explore financing options, and consider scholarships or grants that may be available. While the financial aspect should not be a deterrent, it's essential to approach it with careful planning and consideration. Despite the challenges, the rewards of learning to fly are immeasurable. The feeling of accomplishment, the sense of freedom, and the unique perspective gained from soaring above the world are experiences like no other. It's a journey of self-discovery, pushing boundaries, and achieving a dream. For those who feel the call of the skies, the challenges are simply stepping stones on the path to an extraordinary adventure. The journey may be demanding, but the destination is more than worth the effort. To those who dare to dream of flight, embrace the challenges. Embrace the hard work, the dedication, and the unwavering pursuit of your passion. The path to becoming a pilot is not always easy, but it is a journey of incredible reward. So, spread your wings, Chase the horizon, and never stop reaching for the sky. Remember, the sky is not the limit when there are footprints on the moon. Fly high, dream big, and let your passion for aviation soar.